The time machine takes Deep to the post-independence era. 1951, when Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is presiding over a meeting of drawing the first 5-year plan. He stands straight and directed to one member who is giving his opinion. Then he takes his seat on a chair with his back straight, shoulders firm, and hands placed on the desk to write the pointers as suggested by other members.
Whoever wants to add on to this draft, please stand up and raise your point so that it is easier for all of us here to listen to you.
I have a question.
Yes, would request you to get up and go ahead.
What would be the power division ratio between centre and states?
Non-issue. We will follow whatever majority of the leaders decide.
All honorable leaders, the question raised by Acharya ji is a little tricky, but very important. In my view, we shall discuss this in the next session of Congress, when all the members of the working committee are present to provide their opinion.
Yes, that's right. How well Nehruji holds his posture. But does really matter?
Yes, it does matter. Right posture at the right time is an integral part of your presentation, as well as it conveys confidence to others. They signify your current mental status and reflects your mood.
Nehru is a fine statesman. You can learn presentation skills from him.
So what all does posture signify?
Like if I slouch on my chair while presiding over the assembly, it will diminish not only mine but everyone's confidence. People will lose interest. A message of pessimism will run across. And if I display upright posture, confidence of all party workers will get a boost.
And why do you insist others to maintain body postures as well?
So that everyone pays attention and can induce confidence in others too. Also, it facilitates breathing, increases concentration and thinking ability, projects a good image. You tend to feel more confident. And also good posture could lead you to good health.
Our grooming teacher says that even first impression is very important and that we must maintain firm and upright body posture while in public domain. He says having an upright posture conveys that one is healthy, strong and self-confident apart from making one look attractive.